Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at some of the craziest moments on the road. From reckless driving and ignoring traffic signs to out-of-control trucks. Each clip in this video serves as a reminder to drive carefully and protect yourself and others. Luck was on the side of the motorcyclist. If there was an award for luckiest person this year, I would vote for him. A boat carrying bricks was moored at the riverbank when two large boats carrying sand passed by. At this time, the waves caused the boat carrying bricks to lose balance, capsize, and sink immediately. There were 3 people on the boat at that time. 2 of them knew how to swim and escaped. Unfortunately, the woman, the wife of the man on the boat, could not swim and died. He drove like the road was his and forgot to signal when changing lanes or turning. As a result, the truck lost control and flipped over on the highway. Always pay attention when driving and obey the speed limit. Speeds on the highway are always fast, so careless overtaking without enough safety distance can lead to terrible accidents like this. Please drive responsibly and help build a safer traffic environment for everyone. Relax, man. No need to rush. Fortunately, no one was injured, but the flower pots were destroyed. Please raise your traffic safety awareness and drive safely. Unbelievable. It looked like a scene from a Hollywood movie. It was a dramatic moment. The driver didn't slow down when he rounded the corner, and his car lifted up on all 4 wheels as if it was taking off into the air. That guy must have had death insurance. After the accident, the front of the car was damaged, and the driver had to be taken to the hospital for emergency treatment. Highway speeds are always fast, so before changing lanes, check your mirrors, signal, keep a safe distance, and avoid distractions while driving. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next videos. We'll continue to bring you more fun and informative content. Stay safe.